You won't want to miss this video because I'm going to reveal the 5 simple steps to make money from Amazon without any experience. And the best part is, you can do this in just 30 minutes a day and you don't even need a website. So let's get started with step 1. The first step is researching trending Amazon products that are in high demand. To begin, open your web browser and search for Amazon movers and shakers on Google. Click on the first link that appears, which will take you to the Amazon Movers and Shakers tool. This tool is a dedicated page on Amazon that showcases the products with the highest sales rank increases in the past 24 hours. These are the hot items that everyone's talking about and buying like crazy. Once you're on the Movers and Shakers page, take a look at the categories listed on the left side. For this example, let's choose Amazon Devices and Accessories. This category is always buzzing with exciting products. Now, let's find a trending product within this category. As you can see, there's one that caught my eye: the indoor security camera. It's gaining serious traction with over 26,000 reviews. That's a clear sign that this camera is in high demand right now. Moving on to the second step, now that we've identified the trending products, it's time to obtain those all-important affiliate links. To begin, select 3 specific products that are similar to each other and have good reviews and ratings. As we have found a trending indoor security camera, let's now find 3 more indoor security cameras that are also popular and well received by customers. Once you have identified the products, open each one in a new tab. Simply right-click on the product and select Open Link in New tab. This will open the product in a new tab, allowing you to easily navigate between them. Once you have these products, it's time to copy their affiliate links. However, to do this, you'll need to sign up for the Amazon's affiliate marketing program. I actually made a video explaining how to sign up for the Amazon affiliate program, so be sure to check out the link in the description below. It'll guide you through the process and get you all set up. To generate and copy your affiliate link, simply click on the text or image option and you'll get your link. Don't forget to save and organize these affiliate links in a Word file, along with the product names and descriptions for future use. And don't miss out on downloading the product images as well. As you can see, I have added the affiliate links, product names, and descriptions of all 3 products to a Word document. Furthermore, I have saved all the product images for future use. In this step, we'll use ChatGPT, an online tool, to write a comparison article for your chosen products as an Amazon affiliate. Head over to ChatGPT and in the prompt box section, provide the chatbot with information and instructions about your products. You can also ask the chatbot to generate a well-structured comparison article for you. To make this easier for you, I have prepared a prompt for you in the description of this video. This prompt is very well written and it will help ChatGPT to write a detailed product comparison article for you. Simply copy and paste the prompt from the description into the ChatGPT website. After copying the prompt, insert the names and descriptions of your 3 Amazon products in this section. After filling out the product information, just hit the Generate button and wait for ChatGPT to do its magic. It only takes a few seconds and you can edit it if you want to make any changes. As you can see, ChatGPT creates super cool and well-organized articles that compare your 3 products and convince your audience to make a purchase. Now, let's move on to the next step. In this step, we need to make our article look like a human wrote it, not an AI. But first, let's see if our blog post looks like it was made by AI. We can use GPT-0 for this. Copy the article from ChatGPT and paste it on GPT-0. Then, click Check Origin. You'll see that our blog post is AI generated, so we need to make our article look human-made. Let me show you a trick. Go back to ChatGPT and start a new chat. Paste the article there. Then, write this above the article. Write the blog post in simple spoken English. Then click Generate. ChatGPT will write your article again in a new and different way. Copy the new article and paste it on GPT-0. Then click Check Origin again. You'll see that our article is human-made now, so we are ready to publish it online. All right, we've made it to the 5th and most important part of our journey. You made your article and you want everyone to see it. But you don't have a website, do you? That's okay. We can use Medium. It's a website where you can put your stuff and get many people to read it. Let me share a little secret with you. I've personally used Medium, and even when I didn't post any articles for a whole month, my Medium posts still got views and earned me affiliate commissions. So, for our purpose, you need to create an account on Medium. It's really simple. Just go to medium.com, click on the Sign In button, and then select the option to create a new account. Click on that and sign up using your Gmail account. Enter your name and click Create Account. Next, you need to choose your interests. For this video, I simply selected some keywords related to lifestyle, business, technology, writing, health, and money. Then click Continue to proceed. Don't worry, Medium is free to use. It might ask you to become a member, but you can skip that and use a free account. Just scroll down and click Continue with a free account. Now you have your account, but you need to customize your profile. To do that, just click on your profile picture, then click on Profile. Then you'll see a button that says Edit Profile. Click on that. Here, you need to add your profile picture. Just click on the profile picture and upload the image you want. After you upload it, your profile picture will be set. Next, you need to add your name. Just type your name or your shop's name. For example, my shop's name is Nexus Finds. Then, you need to add a bio. This is what people will see when they visit your profile. You need to make it catchy and interesting. But don't worry, you can use ChatGPT to write it for you. Just go to ChatGPT and write something like this. Hey ChatGPT, I need your help. Can you generate 10 catchy bios in simple spoken English for my Medium blog? It's all about showcasing the best Amazon products. Keep them concise and engaging to grab readers' attention. Thanks. Then click Generate. ChatGPT will write some bios for you. Just pick one that you like and copy it. Then go back to Medium and paste your bio here. Then click Save. Now you have your profile picture, name, and bio. You're almost done. The last thing you need to do is to post your article on Medium. This is where you'll share your content and get more views and money. To post your article, just click on Write. Once you're on the article creation page, copy the title that you have already paraphrased from ChatGPT and paste it into the title section. Move on to the second section of the article. Simply go to ChatGPT, select the introduction part, copy it, and paste it into the Medium article. Then, select the introduction word and make it bold. This will help to highlight the introduction and make it stand out. Now it's time to add the details of the products you want to feature in your article. Go back to ChatGPT and select the details of the first product. Copy the details and go back to Medium. Paste the details into the appropriate section, making sure to format it properly. To make the first product title stand out, make it bold. You can also add the number 1 before the title to indicate that it is the first product. Additionally, you can enhance the text by making it more visually appealing. Once you've added the details of the first product, it's time to include an image of the product. Press Enter after the product title to create a new line. Then, click on the plus icon to add an image. Find the image of the first product that you previously downloaded from Amazon and upload it. After adding the product image, copy your product title and paste it in the caption. Add the word Checkout before the title and the word Here after the title. This is your call to action. It tells people to buy your product. Now, you need to include your affiliate product link. Copy the affiliate link that you generated earlier or extract it from Amazon. Then, go to Medium. Select the call to action phrase you previously added, click on the chain icon and paste your affiliate link there. Then, make your call to action bold. This will ensure that readers can easily access the product through your affiliate link. Repeat the same process for the remaining 2 products, including their titles, details, images, captions, and affiliate links. Make sure each product is clearly presented. Finally, we need to wrap up our article with a conclusion. Go back to ChatGPT and select the conclusion part. Then, copy it and go to Medium and paste it. Press Enter and make the word conclusion bold like this. Now, as you can see, our article has a strong ending. To make your article more attractive, you need a simple picture for it. Think of it as a YouTube thumbnail. People will click on your article if they see a catchy image. There are two ways to do this. The first way is to add an image by clicking on the plus icon after the introduction part. You can search and choose an image that matches your Amazon products. The second way, which I recommend, is to create a simple image for your article using Canva. Go to canva.com and click on the Customize tab. Enter 1920 by 1080 pixels and click Create New Design, which will give you a blank space to work with. Next, go to Google and search for Adobe Background Remover. Use this tool to remove the backgrounds from your product images. Upload your product photos and remove the backgrounds. Once you've done that, go back to Canva and click on the Upload tab. Upload your edited photos. Then, drag and position them in the blank space, making sure they fit nicely within the rectangular area. This is important because Medium might crop your product images otherwise. Add some text to the image with short and attention-grabbing titles for your product images. Make it catchy and appealing. Remember, less is more, so don't overcrowd the image with too many elements. Keep it simple and captivating. When you're done, click Share and download your product image. Now, go back to Medium and click on the plus icon below your introduction. Add the image you created using Canva. As you can see, this cool image will make people want to read your article. It will make your content more attractive. Now that everything's ready, go ahead and click the Publish button. But before you do, make sure to check the Preview Image tab and make sure all your customized images fit nicely. Also, remember to include up to 5 keywords that are relevant to your products. Once you've taken care of that, simply click Publish and boom! Your article is live and ready for everyone to see. This method is very effective and easy to do. If you publish articles daily, you will get more traffic and sales. The best part is, if you write a good article, your blog post will rank on Google. That's awesome, right? People will come and buy the products from your comparison articles. So be consistent and upload articles daily. And what's even more exciting is that Medium offers a chance to earn money from your articles. Their payment system allows you to make anywhere from $4 to $8 for every 1,000 views. So, not only will you share valuable content with your readers, but you can also monetize your efforts. It's a win-win situation. I hope you learned something new. If you want more tips and tricks on this topic, check out my playlist. It has tons of valuable information for you. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. I've got some amazing videos coming up that you definitely don't want to miss.